line, so hopefully we can bring it in.
Oh yeah. Do you have a leader on it?
No. It's moving, just slow.
Yeah.
It's a carp or a catfish?
Probably a carp. I want it to be a carp.
Come over here, dude. A few pounds.
Oh yeah, definitely.
That way. I think it's a catfish or a carp or something. Okay, it's slowly coming up. See, it's coming up. It's a monster. Beige. I think it's a carp. It's trying to go out to sea. Dude, what the hell is it?
I have no clue. Reel it in.
Reel it in. I'm going to break the line. Shit. I don't. Looks like it's a ray or a turtle. Is it a turtle?
Next.
Are you still videoing?
Yeah, turtles don't move that fast.
Oh my God! It's a monster carp. Grant, get it. Look,
Oh my god.
Grant, get a picture. Hold on. Look at that monster carp. Are you... Jesus. Did you get a picture yet?
I'm videoing.
Oh, okay. Let me try and get on close again. Look at it, dude. It's like the biggest carp we've ever seen. Look, here he is.
Holy crap.
It's like the Loch Ness Monster.
Holy crap, that thing is huge.
All right. He's tired, dude.
Yeah, want me to get a
You got a
rag?
good video of him?
Yeah, I'm videoing him right now.
What's he, about 2.5 feet long?
Yeah, definitely.
Jesus Christ. All right. You know, no, don't even, I'm not even bringing him in. I'm just going to try and unhook him. Hold on.
God, that thing's huge.
Look at it. There's no fish at Core Creek, right?
Huh.
Look at that thing. What's he weigh, like 10 pounds?
Oh my god, that's
I'll check you. He's taking off.
yeah, just
I think I might just cut it. Hold on. Believe me, he's eaten other stuff before.
yeah. Want me to just I'll stop it.
No, you can keep it in here. There's no way I'm getting him out of the water. He's under the pier. I just want to cut as close as I can. Jesus Christ, it's huge. Oh God. I just want my weight. This is where we need a net.
Yeah. Want me to ask the guy over there if he has a net?
Dude, we have nobody has a net that big here. God, look at it. Here, I just want to cut under the weight, that's all. God. Jesus.
That thing is huge.
Oh!
Snapped it.
Oh well, he took care of that.
Yep.